Hello everyone, this is Animesh Mishra, your IT teacher, and I welcome you all to my class of class 9 IT. Okay, so students, we were discussing in the last class about the keys of self-management, that the first 3 keys we have covered. We will see the rest of the keys of self-management. Let us come to the 4th key, that is problem solving. Okay, understanding a problem and finding a solution using step-by-step method. What does it mean? Let us take an example. Suppose that when you solve the problems of maths, okay, if you get stuck, each and every time you are getting stuck in the same question or the same type of questions, okay, of the same chapter, it means what? First you have to find out the problem. What's the problem? Why I am unable to solve? क्यों मैं solve नहीं कर पा रहा उस question को? पहले आपको ये समझना जरूरी है. Problem समझोगे, then only you can be able to find out the solution for that. And after finding the problem, you will find the solution by using step-by-step method. Up step by step, like that. What step? First you will think about that is the concept of this chapter is clear or not. If not, you will see, you will learn the concepts, okay, step by step, and then finally you can find out the solution for that problem. Okay, so let us see the next one, that is self-motivation. Self-motivation means what? Let us see first. It is the energy that encourages to be excited to do any work. इट मीन्स वॉट? आपके अंदर कोई भी एक वो छोटा सा स्पार्क, एक एनर्जी जो आपको हमेशा मोटिवेट करते रहे, आगे बढ़ाते रहे, पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में लेके जाते रहे, दैट इज कॉल्ड सेल्फ मोटिवेशन. सपोज दैट लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल दैट सपोज इफ यू प्लान ओके एंड टू गो फॉर द मॉर्निंग वॉक. आपने ऐसा प्लानिंग किया कि कल से मैं अब मॉर्निंग वॉक जॉगिंग पे जाऊंगा या जाऊंगी, तो उसमें भी एक एक्साइटमेंट होना चाहिए. कल से उठूंगी, जो भी जाना है, अपने फिटनेस पे ध्यान देना है. सो व्हाट दिस शुड बी इनसाइड योर ओन माइंड. ओके, एक माइंडसेट, एक ऐसा एनर्जी होना चाहिए जो आपको बूस्टअप करते चले जाए कि हाँ सुबह उठेंगे, फिटनेस के लिए जाना है. अब if you go for morning walk, if you go for jogging, there also, okay, that excitement should be there. Suppose that if you fix the target of that you will run around 3 to 4 kilometers, तो उसमें भी एक एनर्जी आपके अंदर होना चाहिए. Yes, what energy? So first you will run for 1 kilometer, उसके बाद अंदर से एक आवाज आना चाहिए, ओके, थोड़ा सा और 1 किलोमीटर और. You will go for another 1 kilometer, and again after reaching that goal, again that energy should push you. 1 किलोमीटर और तो बचा है, और आगे बढ़ जाओ. So that is self motivation. अपने आप को encourage करते हुए आगे बढ़ना है. Okay, so you first take the screenshot of this, dear children. I will discuss the rest of the topics after this. Okay children, so let us see the 6th key, personal hygiene and grooming. Keeping oneself clean, healthy and smart. It is also one of the keys of self-management. See how, if you or any person keep himself, okay, or herself smart, clean, so this can also help to boost up the self-confidence of that person, right? So this is personal hygiene and grooming. Now let us see the 7th point, positive thinking. This is very necessary for your life and for everyone's life. In your life, positive thinking should be there in any situation. किसी भी सिचुएशन में आपको एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग के साथ ही आगे बढ़ना है. ओके, तो फेलियर के चांसेस बहुत कम होते हैं. लेट अस सी, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग एनेबल्स a person to find a positive outcome in every situation. I have written 2 times in every problem and situation. So let us see. See, I have drawn one smiley also. Yes, I can. Okay. So let us see how. Let us take an example. If you are going to play a match, okay, and your opponent team is what you can say good team, okay. But if you start thinking there, no, that team is very tough, very strong team, okay, I will lose the match. तो दिस इज नेगेटिव थिंकिंग, इसको नहीं रखना है. पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग, यू हैव टू गो देयर विद द पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग. आपको ऐसा सोचना है, जाऊंगा, भिड़ूंगा, आई विल प्ले द मैच एंड आई विल विन द मैच. दिस इज पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग, राइट. नेगेटिव सोचना ही नहीं है. किस बात का नेगेटिव? यू कैन नॉट डिसाइड योर रिजल्ट बिफोर प्लेइंग ओनली. सो ऑलवेज डू एनी वर्क with positive approach, positive thinking and positive attitude. Okay, let us see the 8th point, that is time management. This is very, very, very important. Time management. Achieving tasks on time and according to the plan. It means what? Whatever plan you have made, okay, to achieve your goal, to reach your goals, right? So you have to do it on time. Then only you will be able to achieve that goal. Okay, I am just giving you an example. Suppose that the second chapter of your maths, that is polynomial, I think. So if you make a plan that I have to complete this chapter within 4 days, okay, NCERT book, RS Agarwal book, whatever it is, then you have to complete it on time. This is time management. I have just given an example of time management. In every situation or place, whatever you are, okay, wherever you are, you have to follow this time management. So dear children, you just take the screenshot of this. I will discuss rest of the keys. Okay children, so let us see the 9th key, that is stress management. It is the art of handling pressurized situations by oneself, cool and calm with patience. Okay, if you're stuck in any situation, किसी भी situation में आप फंस जाते हो, वो situation कितना भी बुरा है, but you have to manage your stress. Stress होता क्या है? What is stress? When you feel upset, okay, then you start feeling stress. That is stress, and it is very dangerous for your health. You can see, let us see that how you can manage this stress. Okay, what are the causes of stress? Overthinking is also, it is the cause of mental stress. If you do over exercise, that is physical stress, okay, but it comes in the category of stress only. So how you can manage? It is the art of handling pressurized situations by oneself, cool and calm with patience. How you can handle it? Okay, there are several measures also to handle stress. Okay, first you should not be worried and you should not feel anxiety for that. Okay, that what I will do, how can I manage this, what means like that. Okay, आपको cool रहना है, calm रहना है, patience के साथ काम लेना है. Okay, and several measures you can take, like physical exercise, yoga, pranayams, okay, nature walk you can take, jogging, exercise and all. You can spend your quality time with your relatives, friends, like that. Okay, so let us come to the next topic, that is self-discipline. Self-discipline. It is a characteristic that helps one to adhere means what? पालन करना किसी चीज का. To punctuality and positive habits. And positive habits. अपने आपको पंचुअल रखना है, पॉजिटिव हैबिट्स विथ, so this is self discipline. Okay, स्कूल में भी आप सीखते हो discipline. Okay, come to school on time, be punctual, come with proper uniform, come neat and clean, come with your homework and all the books and copies according to your routine. So this is discipline. Okay. So dear children, we have completed today's class, and the next topic we will discuss in the next class. So for today, have a good day and God bless you all.